Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and today on the porch we have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for August. Let's get into it. It's a cute little bag. It's very slick. Not too shabby, better than the last one I got. I actually did get to pick my items for August. I didn't get to pick them for July. So I'm going to start with the order in which I would put them on. And the first product is this Goldfadden MD Liquid Facelift Instant Skin Firming Complex. This retails for a whopping $98. It says, who needs a procedure when you have this powerhouse serum? It's like liquid gold in a bottle and helps to lift and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use sparingly, which as you can see I did not. Apply 1 or 2 drops on clean skin before you moisturize, focusing on areas of concern such as frown lines, crow's feet, and lines around the mouth. So what I can tell you about this is it felt just like the, what is that, Peter Thomas Roth. And I can't remember what the name of the product is, but it's that eye stuff that you put on that's supposed to get rid of the wrinkles and firm up your skin. And I mean, when you put that on, you can see it actually firm up and smooth out everything. But the minute that I put anything else on top of that, it would pill and it just looked awful. And I had a tube of that. My friend Maria had gifted me some, and I tried it and I just could not do anything with it. But this did not peel up. It did not tighten and smooth as much as the Peter Thomas Roth did, but I think that this worked really well, and it did make my skin feel very smooth, and it did tighten up some areas. It has been a while since I put it on. As you can see, my hair is totally different because once I got all my makeup on, I rushed out the door to go get my hair cut, and that's a whole nother story. But I really like this. I would not pay $98 for it, but if you're looking for something to smooth out your wrinkles, rapid crease relief, and makes the skin feel firmer for a non-surgical quick fix, then it might be something that you want to give a try. I would not pay that kind of money for it, but it did work and I did like it. The next item in my bag is this Wishful Honey Balm, and I picked this because I wasn't real thrilled with my choices. I already have this. That's the reason why I picked it, because I absolutely love it. As you can see, I have used quite a bit from out of the jar that I have, and I even have a backup. It smells so good and it is so incredibly moisturizing. I absolutely love it. It retails for $43. So it's a honey balm niacinamide moisturizer, and it is like a jelly balm texture that helps lock in moisture with honey, brighten dark spots with turmeric, and minimize pore size and uneven skin texture with niacinamide. It is a wonderful product and I absolutely love it, and the reason that I have so many backups was because I got it at a lower price in the BoxyCharm pop-up or not drop shop or mega, I don't remember, but whenever I see it at a reduced price I snag it, because $43 is a little hefty, but it is a really, really good moisturizer. And the next item is this Cosmetics Clean, Clinical, and Luxurious Facial Massager. And I chose this because I didn't like the other choices. It is not something that I normally would have chosen, but after I used it, I'm kind of glad that I did. It has these stones. It comes with a little, what did I do with it? It comes with a little set of directions, and these are germanium I know I'm not saying that right, Stone, and it has 24 of those in there, and they are to tighten and energize your skin, and it felt really good on my skin. I really did like it. It will help to get your serums and things deeper into your skin. It was very nice. It has a very nice weight to it. This facial massager is $65. I would not pay $65 for this. I did find one on Amazon that is comparable, so if this is something that you're interested in, I'll have a link to the one on Amazon. It is an affiliate link. I make a few pennies if you purchase something from one of those links. Doesn't cost you anything extra. But I think that one was like $24. Very comparable to this one, and I really did like it. It felt really good. And I did this quick for the purpose of this video, but I am looking forward at night when I do my skincare to do a really good massage on my skin. The next item in my bag is this Hip Dot palette. This is the Cenote palette. It is a beautiful palette, and the palette retails for $20. It says that it's a pressed eyeshadow palette, and Hip Dot is animal test free and vegan. This has a 12-month shelf life. It's paraben free, talc free, and mineral oil free, which is all good. And it's got a mirror in it. And it is a very, very pretty palette. And that is what I have on. You can see me struggling here to put the shadows on. They are not super pigmented. They will build up, but it takes a little bit of work to get them to build up. And when I used the shimmers, I had a lot of fallout. So like I said, I was rushing to try to get my makeup on because I had an appointment to go get my hair cut. So when I got back, I took my time and went back in and tried to make it look a little bit better, which it definitely looks better, but it takes a little bit of doing. It's a little bit of work. If you don't like to do any work putting your eyeshadow on, and maybe it was just me, it could be user error, but I was not super impressed. And I have a couple of other Hip Dot palettes, and I don't remember having that much trouble with it, but I will use it again. Maybe I'll give you an update on how it performed after the fact. I'll do a look and maybe throw it up on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's Dragonfly Beauty because Leanna Dalton was already taken. The next item in my bag is this Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. This retails for $27, and this is a cult favorite. I have used this mascara before and it worked just fine for me. As you can see me trying it out, and this is what it looks like with 3 coats on, and it works fine. There are other mascaras that I like just a little bit better than this, but this one works just great. This is what the component looks like. So those are all of the items in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. As usual, it comes with this little insert. It doesn't have any information on here about the products that I got in my bag. I subscribed to IPSY for a year, so I pay $24.89 for my bags, and this August bag came in at $254, which is not too shabby. I do like how on some of their cards they will put little uplifting things like your inner glow itinerary, 4 ways to keep calm and centered no matter where you are, mindful awareness, reconnect to your routine, unwind with the bath, and minimize your screen time. They do have some save the date things on the back of it, back to life sale, build your bag, add-ons, and can't miss content all month long. So there you go. There's my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. Before you go, y'all know what to do. Show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need to get you a cosmetic, clean, clinical, and luxurious facial massager while you're baking out in the sun with your mask. And Kim said I need to buy you a fish mask. Then you can massage your skin. You can even use this on your body. So you can massage your calves. You can massage your feet. You can massage your... Y'all see that gnat flying around? Why? Why do these things happen? Anyway, get you a massager so you can do some self-care, face massaging, self-love stuff like your mama does, okay? Mama loves you, boo.